Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to use the warning for crossing traffic behind. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. Choose here Settings. From the following view, let's choose the assistance, the first tab, scroll down and select Parking. From Parking, all you need to do is scroll down again to choose the Maneuvering Assistant, the last option. And here you've got the second option, which is Warning for crossing traffic behind. You can enable this feature really easily by using the toggle. And as you can see, just enable this feature so it will alert you to vehicle approaching from the side while you are reversing out of a parking spot. So it's like the extra pair of eyes. It's extra safety feature, so I really like to have the warning for crossing traffic behind enabled. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.